Today's video will discuss some amazing benefits of watermelon for hair and the ways to use them. How to use watermelon for hair. 1. For hair growth. A rich source of antioxidants, olive oil promotes scalp health. It also improves the blood flow to the hair follicles, thus strengthening them. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons watermelon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil. How to do: blend some watermelon juice and olive oil together in a bowl. Apply it evenly on your hair. Let it stay for about 30 minutes and then wash it off with your regular shampoo conditioner. Repeat this once a week for the desired result. 2. For treating hair loss and breakage. Tea tree oil helps to unclog hair follicles and nourish your roots. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons watermelon juice, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 2 tablespoons tea tree oil. How to do: combine some watermelon juice and yogurt in a bowl and whisk both the ingredients together. Next, add some tea tree oil to it and mix well. Take a generous amount of the mixture and gently apply it to your scalp and hair. Cover your head with a shower cap. Wash it off with lukewarm water and pat it dry. Repeat this once a week for the desired result. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments section below.